my package from Jumia has arrived. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a while, so I have an announcement today. I got a ring light, not as big as you guys want it to be, but it's just a small ring light, and I got it from Jumia. Here's the ring light. I'm really excited to open it. I haven't opened it. I hope it looks like, I don't know, I'm so excited. I want to know in case what I ordered is what I got. So I just want to open it. Okay. Let me put the cap. Here is it. So excited, like I need the scissors. So guys, I'm back with the scissors. To quick notice, I didn't get a ring light with a tripod because I already have it now to record. I put it on my phone, so I'm just going to open it, then I will show you how the ring light is, then I'll remove my phone and I'll show you. So get the scissors. So excited. The packaging is really nice. This is my ring. I really like the packaging. It came with the receipt I used to order on Jumia. So a ring light came with, look at it. It's like, can you see? Wow. I didn't expect this to be like this, but it's okay. Then it came with some tripod holder, and don't know what it is, but I'm going to figure out. And this, I don't know what it is. I think I have to couple them together. I don't know what it is. I mean, the ring light is, and wow. Wow. Hey guys, I'm looking all crusty because we're in the night. Why did I say? We're in the midnight, so I really wanted to show you guys this packaging today, and I really wanted to edit it. So this is how the ring light, the carton is. Make feel light and beauty face, make face and eye in beauty, night core extreme, blah 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 blah. Anyways, no, you don't need that. Light is plastic, like it's okay, but in case it fall. This is what it came with. This pen, this didn't even come with any direction. Why would there be something without direction? I think you have to put one of all these things on it. Okay, I think you put this one here. Alright. Okay. Then you put this one. Yeah, I'm getting it. Here. Let me just put this thing. What I'm talking about. I didn't expect. Wow. Guys, can you see? And this is only the white light, and wait, let me put in another light. This one. Wow. Okay, this is cool. This is cool. Like, this is cool. Then let me try and increase it. This is, what am I even doing? Okay. This is the highest. This is the highest. This is warm light. This is cool lightning. Wow. my new ring light. I'm a ring light owner. This height is, in case I want to off it, I press this. It's off. In case I want to on it, I press it's on. And in case I want to reduce the lightning, I press this and it goes like this. So you can see when the light is going down, you can see this is the lowest. Then in case I want to increase the lightning, I go up. Yeah. Then in case I want to switch the lighting to a cool lighting, you know what I'm saying, I go like, my bonnet was down, you guys couldn't even tell me that. So this is a cool lighting, and this, I think this is the highest. Okay, no, this is not the highest, like you can see, this is the lowest, this is the highest. Then this one, the yellow lightning. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. I am so happy right now because I am a proud owner of a ring light. Like, you don't know what it is to have a ring light. Like, when you're doing a video and you don't have a lot of lighting you need in your video and the video just comes out not looking really good, but this is okay. Is this a 10 inches ring light? I don't know. So guys, this is the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I don't know why you have not subscribed, but anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and comment down below what you think about this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.